What are some of the classic defenses that insurance companies use to minimize or to avoid paying out serious personal injury claims after car wrecks? Attorney Donald Colvin explains. A classic defense that insurance companies use to avoid paying out injury claims is the minor impact defense. The minor impact defense is used when the insurance company says that the dollar amount to repair the vehicle was not very much in terms of money. Therefore, the person could not have been seriously injured from the accident. The insurance company's attorneys would be able to get around a lot of the issues. If the case has been taken to trial, it can be quite expensive. The plaintiff's side would have to hire experts against the defense's experts. The experts are usually accident reconstructionists. Another tactic that insurance companies like to use is malingering treatment. The defense will argue that the claimant's injuries should have been resolved within a couple of weeks of the accident. If they're treating longer than 10 to 11 weeks, then the rest of the care is not medically necessary. Therefore, they shouldn't have to pay for it. They can also argue that the claimant should not have missed that much work. The insurance companies could use various evidentiary defenses, which means that the claimant isn't bringing in or documenting the proper evidence of their injury, claims to lost wages, and out-of-pocket expenses. If there are gaps in care, the defense uses that against your claim. If you waited too long to seek treatment for your injuries, they could say that you weren't really that hurt and that you're essentially lying. Or they can say that the injury was caused by something else, not the accident. At Colvin Accident Lawyers, we work to win settlements for our clients that fairly value not only your medical expenses and any property damage resulting from your accident, but also your lost wages, your future expenses, and the pain and suffering you've experienced as a result of the traumatic event.